Hello friends and welcome to The Architecture Enthusiast. I like vanished things. This simple yet profound statement encapsulates the essence of Anselm Kiefer's artistic journey, a voyage into the realms of memory, history, and the passage of time. Through his monumental canvases and evocative sculptures, Kiefer delves into the remnants of the past, embracing the ephemeral and the forgotten with a reverence that borders on obsession. In Kiefer's work, the notion of vanished things takes on myriad forms, each imbued with layers of meaning and symbolism. At its core lies a fascination with the transience of existence, the fleeting nature of human endeavor against the backdrop of eternity. His landscapes are strewn with the detritus of history, crumbling ruins, barren fields, and decaying relics, alluding to the inexorable march of time and the inevitable decay of empires. One cannot help but be struck by the haunting beauty of Kiefer's abandoned landscapes, where the echoes of the past reverberate through the silence. His paintings are like archaeological excavations of the soul, unearthing buried memories and forgotten dreams with a sense of melancholic nostalgia. I am drawn to the forgotten and the neglected, to the places and objects that bear the scars of time, Kiefer once remarked, his words echoing through the ruins of civilizations long gone. Yet, amidst the desolation and decay, there is a sense of defiance in Kiefer's work, a refusal to let the past fade into obscurity. His paintings are imbued with a sense of mythic grandeur, as if each crumbling edifice and rusting artifact were a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. In the ruins of the past, there is a kind of beauty that transcends mere aesthetics, he asserted, his paintings serving as monuments to the triumphs and tragedies of history. At the heart of Kiefer's exploration of vanished things lies a deeply personal narrative, a reckoning with his own German heritage and the legacy of the Second World War. His paintings are haunted by the specter of history, grappling with the horrors of genocide and the moral culpability of a nation. I am haunted by the ghosts of the past, by the weight of history and the burden of memory, he confessed, his art serving as a form of catharsis and reconciliation. In Kiefer's hands, even the most mundane objects take on a mythic significance, imbued with layers of meaning that transcend their materiality. His use of unconventional materials, ashes, lead, and straw, adds an additional dimension to his work, evoking the alchemical transformations of the soul. I am interested in the transformative power of art, in the ability to transmute the base elements of life into something transcendent, he explained, his sculptures and installations serving as talismans of redemption and renewal. Ultimately, Kiefer's fascination with vanished things is rooted in a profound sense of awe and wonder, a recognition of the ineffable mysteries of existence. His art invites us to confront the impermanence of life and the inevitability of our own mortality with a sense of grace and humility. In the end, all things must pass away, he reflected, his paintings a testament to the enduring power of art to transcend the confines of time and space.